You've seen it in nature videos. An animal suddenly collapses motionless. Is it injured? Nope, it's acting. This behavior is called thanatosis, playing dead to trick predators into losing interest. Many predators rely on movement to detect prey. No movement, no interest. Some animals take it further, like opossums releasing foul smells to mimic decay. No one wants to eat roadkill. Playing dead doesn't always work. But in the wild, even a second of hesitation can mean survival. So the next time you see an animal faint, remember it's not weak. It's evolved, brilliantly.